24 Johnson Links Way is why Swan Lake Village was built. A house for downsizers who want one-level living but still want some extra private space for guests. This wood duck model design remains a perennial favorite. It's 1,682 square feet, including a 358 square foot loft. Everything you need for daily living is on one level, including 2 bedrooms, laundry, and 2 bathrooms, and multiple walkouts to private front and back decks. And you don't lift a finger outside. Property management takes care of the outside of the house and the property. The wood duck model offers a single-car garage with a landscape walkway and lovely gardens. As you come up the front walk, there's a private front deck perfect for barbecuing all year long, or a secluded, shady afternoon spot, an upgraded safety railing, and upgraded front door with decorative glass insert. Moving inside, you're greeted by a front foyer with upgraded flooring, coffered ceiling and pot lights, and front hall closet, and move through to the spacious living and dining room area with hardwood flooring, cozy gas fireplace with modern stone front and cathedral ceilings, and the dining room is open to the kitchen for seamless entertaining. The adjoining back solarium or family room has lush green views, hardwood floors, a skylight, custom-made zebra blinds, and a walkout to the back deck. The upgraded eat-in kitchen is a favorite with Swan Lake buyers because it has a walkout to the patio for great airflow. There is upgraded Torley smart flooring, ample white cabinetry with upgraded hardware, stylish backsplash with task lighting, an upgraded stone composite countertop, an upgraded double undermount sink and extendable tap. The cozy breakfast area has modern lighting, California shutters, and a walkout to the front deck. There's also a stacked washer and dryer tucked into the kitchen for easy access. The primary bedroom has hardwood floors and windows overlooking the greenery at the back and fits a king-size suite. It has a walk-in closet with organizers and a large ensuite bathroom with walk-in shower stall, deep soaker tub, quartz countertops, undermount sink, new faucet, and light fixture. The second bedroom is located at the front of the house for privacy. This room is currently being used as a home office and is outfitted with custom-made built-in corner desk and bookcases. The window coverings are stylish custom-made zebra blinds. This room is located close to a second full bathroom with updated flooring and countertops and the linen closet. Not all wood duck models in Swan Lake have lofts, and buyers tend to love them because they allow more natural light into the house and they're a great bonus space on the upper level. Usually open to the main floor, the loft in this unit is private because there are 3 frosted glass panels. The middle panel slides open but also closes, so you have the best of both worlds. This space has a closet and full washroom. The current owner uses it as a bedroom, however it can also serve as a family room or private guest area so that you can devote the main floor bedroom to your everyday needs. The back deck is your private oasis all summer long, complete with barbecue hookup. Surrounded by majestic trees, it's a leafy green paradise. Nothing but the sound of the birds or the wind in the leaves as you while away a sunny afternoon. The basement is huge and unfinished and is perfect for your storage or your dream rec room project. Swan Lake is one of the GTA's most popular gated communities. This gated community of over 650 homes has no age limit and offers 24-hour security, a vibrant social scene, and fabulous amenities. Maintenance fees cover the care of the exterior of your home for carefree condo living and also give you access to the 16,000 square foot Swan Club with a gorgeous indoor pool, sauna, as well as a fitness center with gym and exercise area, a billiards room, a library, a huge party and meeting area, shuffleboard, and a beautiful outdoor lounge and terrace with barbecues overlooking the pond. There are 3 satellite clubhouses in Swan Lake, and all of them have outdoor pools and tennis courts and are rentable for your use. There are nature trails surrounding the pond and walking trails throughout the village. Swan Lake is ideally located close to the GO Transit station, Markham Stovall Hospital, Markham Main Street shops and restaurants, large grocery and pharmacy centers, Markville Mall, and has easy access to the 407. For more information about 24 Johnson Links Way, call us at 905-477-0011, email us at info@walkerparker.ca or visit us online at walkerparker.ca.